Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're starting today's vlog post-gym and in the car. Just wanted to show you guys today's gym outfit. This is why I need more like nicer tanks. This does nothing for me, but then if I do it like this, it's like too cropped and you can see my little like saddle bag, so that's why I'm buying heaps from Gymshark at the moment. Anyway, these are the flex tights, which I feel like they make my butt look really good. I feel like on camera my butt looks sad, but anyway, I think it looks good. And I really like this colour of the marl, like it's darker than my old ones, and then the waistband colour is real cute. So it's Monday morning, I've been to the gym, I've put on a little tiny bit of makeup because you guys won't be able to see on camera I don't think, but I've had a reaction to something. I don't know if it's I've brought it on by stress, I don't know if I put something on my face, but my face is not happy with me at the moment. I came on here because I wanted to talk to you guys about my reset, and I've done a couple of these before and I can't remember whether they actually stuck, but I genuinely intend for this reset to be like, you know, I'm actually gonna reset and I'm actually gonna do what I say I'm gonna do. But basically I'm changing my intake so that I eat more on active days and less on rest days, just because I find on the weekends I don't need 2,000 calories and on the weekdays I can't have 1,800. So I've met in the middle and I'm sort of staggering my macros to suit. I know for a fact that 2,000, if I hit it accurately, I can lose weight or fat or whatever, but I just want it to be a little bit different so that I eat less on the weekends, because if I allow myself too much on the weekends, I will pig out. For dinner tonight I just made dinner for myself because Corpu and Hazel weren't hungry, but it's just chicken and couscous with parmesan cheese. It's super basic because I actually couldn't be bothered cooking, but thought I'd better eat something, so at least this is like, you know, kind of okay. I had a really good workout by the way, but this is what I wore. So I wore my Click leggings, the navy ones. My butt is like, you probably can't tell, but it's like super big and pumped right now. But anyway, I'm wearing this like singlet that I got from the sale, which I feel like you can see it looks a little bit more flattering on without those like super tight pants. But yeah, just this little bit of skin just needs to piss off. But anyway, let me just pull this up so that you can see like where this lies. This is one of the jumpers that I wanted to get another one of in the sale, but it's so cute. I'm gonna try my best, but this is the Solace jumper in black. I'm gonna try get it if they restock, but yeah, it's very, very cute. I got it for like 19 bucks. So I thought I'd show you guys the stuff that I'm having for lunches this week because I am taking lots and lots of food. So first of all, I'm starting my day with overnight oats. My recipe, I've told you guys before, looks real stodgy because I've actually started using a little bit less almond milk because then that makes it more like dense, I guess, and less watery. So I use 200 mils of almond milk, 50 grams of rolled oats, which is half a cup. Then I use 1 scoop of protein and about a tablespoon or a teaspoon of chia seeds. However many chia seeds, doesn't actually really matter, they're just good for fiber. So got that for my first meal. And before my first meal, I've got a little shot in here of apple cider vinegar. These are just little like dressing containers from Sistema. So this is like a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and some lemon. So I just chuck that back, and because it's in such a small container, it doesn't actually touch my teeth. So it's not that acidic, which is good. And then I just follow it with a chaser. Yesterday I did put some water in it, but I didn't really notice a difference, so I'm just going to take it like that. I also have a probiotic. I just have this brand here from Red Seal. This probably isn't the highest quality probiotic I can get, but I'm cheap, so I'm going to pop that in my lunchbox as well. Then for my next meal, which is a snack, which is about an hour and a half or 2 hours later, I just have some bagel bites, or I'm also going to have some of those pretzel bites and some hummus. I have 40 grams of hummus and about 25 grams of these. Not that that really matters, you just have as much as you need if you wanted to copy this. For lunch today, I have chicken nachos. I made more than last time. Like I actually have a decent amount of chicken, unlike the last time I did this and I had like barely any. And then I have 45 grams of chips here, but I think I'm gonna just up it to 60 grams because I'm pretty sure it's not going to be enough. I know this isn't like the cleanest lunch, but it's going to keep me satiated and I think it's yummy, so I don't really care. And I think each serving of my nachos has about 145 grams of chicken, 10 grams of cheese, and then I've also got a little pottle with 1 serving of sour cream. And in the new edition, I can totally show you guys how to make these. I'm pretty sure I have like months ago, like right at the start of the Weekly Live series, but I just made these peanut butter crunch balls chocolate peanut butter crunch balls, which I can't eat in my classroom, so I'll have these either after work or with my lunch. I might have one with lunch and then the other one's after work. I'm just taking these because when I'm feeling self-destructive, like I have been lately, self-destructive's not the right word, like I don't eat it being like, haha, screw you diet, but like I know that I shouldn't be eating it. I don't know the best way to explain that emotion. But when I'm in that kind of mindset, which I have been for the past wee while because of just stress and everything, I find it best to have alternatives. So some days last week I would take a couple of marshmallows or other stuff that's like my own sweet food, so that I didn't buy crappy sweet food like straight lollies, you know, because those are so much better than lollies. Health right here. This is health. Yesterday, I think I showed you guys, we had Nando's for dinner. Corpu and I have not been having very good days at work. Like, it's just a stressful time of year leading up to Christmas, so both of us haven't really been having really great days, so I haven't really felt like vlogging, and I'm not going to be like vlogging and being, you know, loud and annoying when he's not feeling great either. So stuff is starting to calm down. I finished my reports, all of that's done, so hopefully I'll be able to do a little bit more vlogging for you guys soon. I don't know if you guys can hear me over the myriad of noises and talking going on right now, but Corpu and I were gonna had meatballs for dinner, but he wanted like regular meatballs and I wanted Swedish meatballs, so I made a single portion of Swedish meatballs, and I would share the recipe, but honestly it was the most stressful meal I've ever made. So now I'm going to enjoy my single serve, watch some TV before we have to stop and tidy. That's why our house looks, by the way, that's new, you wouldn't have seen that yet. We got that secondhand. Yes, my dermatitis is still there, but yeah, we're like mid clean right now. Good morning guys, it's Thursday and still I'm just plodding along trying to get through the week. I have finished my reports officially. They're officially done, corrections have been made, they're being printed, so that stress is officially removed from my life. We've started the ball rolling with all sorts of other stuff for next year, so honestly I'm feeling so much more calm. Can some of you guys let me know down below if you're like me, that like when you don't know what's happening, even if nobody else does, but if you don't know what's happening for next year or in the next financial year or on your next project or whatever, I know every job is different, that you feel like antsy, because it can't just be me. Like, I always feel this way at the end of the year. This is my 4th end of year, like my 4th time doing this, and I've never gotten any better. The only thing that I think I've gotten better at is not crying at the end of the year, but I think this will be the worst year yet because I love my class so much this year. And I can't, to be completely honest with you guys, I can't even talk about it yet because I feel like I could cry now talking about it. Good morning guys, it's Friday, it's Friday, woo! It's Friday. As you can tell, I'm bloody excited. Today is actually Black Friday. Obviously Black Friday isn't a thing in New Zealand, unless of course you're an American, in which you celebrate Halloween, Thanksgiving, but it's still Black Friday because for some reason New Zealanders have got on this Black Friday like bandwagon. By the way, I got a spray tan. I have 2 sales that I'm wanting to buy stuff from. One of them starts at 8, which is really awkward because I have a staff meeting that starts at 8 as well, so I don't know if I'm just gonna like try get a seat where nobody can see me so that I can buy my stuff. That's Grace for UK's sale. She's the chick who does the booty bands that I really love. I want to pick her up. She has these hoodies that are so freaking cute, and they're like cropped, I think this one's a sweatshirt, cropped sweatshirts, and then it has feed me embroidered on it, and I think this one's like bright red, so I'm like, I'm gonna get that. That's freaking cute, so I'm gonna buy that. And I want to get one of her booty bands because they're also discounted, and I want like, I don't know if I want to go heavier or lighter strength, because they're already heavy enough, but I think it would just be nice to have some versatility with my booty bands, just so that I can switch it up. It's actually tonight at 7 PM that I get to order some stuff from Alpha Elite and Buff Bunny, which is like Gymshark's, I would say Gymshark's major competitor, probably would be my, I would say that would probably be their biggest competitor. Alpha Elite is like the parent company, and I'm assuming Buff Bunny is like a subsidiary of, because Buff Bunny is owned by Alpha Elite's girlfriend, you know, if that makes sense. Dinner. Hey guys.
Actually sunburned. It's me, Olivia, and I am actually sunburned.
Anyway, I was just gonna say, shut up Hazel. I was just gonna say,
whoa.
I was just gonna say that I tried to buy stuff from Buff Bunny and Alpha Elite and I didn't know what I wanted because their websites were down. Went to go buy the Alpha Elite joggers and before I even got to the cart, before I even got to the link, and I was there at 7 o'clock.
I am actually
they were out of stock.
sunburned.
And then I went onto Buff Bunny pretty much like at 7:01. I had both pages open and I couldn't actually get anything in my cart. I think I got 5 things and then I got to cart and 2 things went out of stock. So I've gotten my Black Friday haul that I'm promising everybody has 1 thing in it.
Did you actually buy it?
No. Hey guys, so it's Sunday and it's like midday. Corpu's streaming. I'm gonna go and play some Pokemon in a minute, but I just wanted to come on here to update you guys on how my weekend has been. So basically today we're going out for dinner. Yesterday was so lazy. I've just been feeling really like sick the past 2 days. Had a really bad headache yesterday and today I'm like okay, but I'm pretty tired, so probably gonna take it real chill. Tonight we're going out to dinner with my friend Janae from school and I might actually introduce you to her because I keep forgetting to like actually vlog her. But we're going out for ramen and I'm really excited. So we're gonna get like dressed up and try and look nice for it. I think I intend to. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that I have bought so much stuff for Black Friday. I've got stuff from Topeka, Gymshark, Ect, Cotton On, but some of the stuff I think won't be here for ages. Like I'm pretty sure the Gymshark stuff won't be here for like maybe 2 weeks. So do you guys want to see like a really delayed Black Friday haul, or should I do it like I did last time and film it with like as stuff comes in? Let me know what you want to do. I still want to film it because I may as well, but let me know what you think. I'm pretty sure that's all that I got. I feel like I'm missing something, but I don't think I am. I just got the other Gymshark order, which the vlog's already up, or the video's already up, and then I got Ect, Cotton On. I did buy a booty guide, and oh yeah, I've bought some like games and stuff. Well, I'm going to buy some games. That's the only other thing, but I'll talk about that when I film the haul. Yeah, you cook it yourself.
Yeah, you pay to cook your own food.
Yeah. We're at ramen with Corpse, Hazel, and this is Janae. Hi. Yay. Janae's and our chicken, and ours isn't here yet. Oh, that's that one that goes. Hello, friend. Hello, hello. Get out of my shot. Hello. Oh, fluffy butt.